but this is not. If you want scrambled, come. If you want scrambled, you're in the right video. So where is it? Oh yeah. Boom. So you take it and mix it. Wait, make sure it's at 9. Make sure it's at 9 and count to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so now it's cooking. And now when it's cooking, turn it to 10. When it's cooking, turn it to 10. Okay, so guys. Boom, while it's cooking, turn it to 10. Okay, bro. It's not, look how it came out. Bro, I can't show you. I can show you later. Or I can just do it like that. Yep. Did you see how it came out? Yep, it's coming out good. Now just mix it your normal way. And then while you're mixing it, when it be scrambled egg, like leave it on a pan. Still leave it on the pan. Leave it. And then when like it still be smoky and you're mixing it, turn it to 11. Turn the heat into 11. Okay, so guys. Oh, okay. So when you look how it's coming so far. I can't show you. Yeah, I can. Oh, look at the smoke. Look at the smoke, guys. Oh my god. Oh, cow. Oh, no. It's here. It's coming. Boom. Look what it turned out. So guys, now, just now, you're gonna want to leave it and turn the heat into 0. Turn the heat into 0 and just put the egg in the side. Okay? And now you're gonna want to take some. Wait, I'm not coming. No. Where is it? Okay, so guys, I'm just checking which cheese.
One cheese.
One cheese? Yep, one cheese.
One egg,
Yep.
one cheese.
Okay. Yep. Okay, wait. So guys, anyway, I can't open it. I'll just ask my God. Open. Okay, so why is the egg? Oh, look at the egg. So now we got the cheese open. Now you're gonna want to put your cheese in the side and get salt. Oh wait, I have wait. Stay here. Okay, now okay, and now while the cheese is there, why did I throw it there? Bro, I threw it. It's too late. When should I do that? Or mix it with sugar. So look how it's coming so far. And now you're gonna want to the cheese. Don't just take it and put it there. Don't just want to take it and put it there. You want to take it. Wait, let's just wait. The microwave is really cooking, so wait. Okay, yep, this is already 0 heat. And like, wait, yep, so you need to take the spoon out. Like, either you just put it in the microwave and wait for it to melt and put it here and then mix it, or do like this. It's now still in 0, but it's gonna melt. So like, you just slice some cheese and put it here. Slice some cheese. Boom. And then take the spoon and mix it. Wait now, and then if it's still not mixing, just turn it to 1. 1, 1, 1. Oh, it's getting something. Okay, look. Don't think you see it. Look. Look at the cheese. Boom, it's melting. Boom, guys, it's melting. So look. Look. So wait, guys. And now, the first thing. Now, wait. Now, you need to. I think it's coming so. Imagine you can smell it. So well, okay, and then you're gonna want to take just take a plate, after it you're gonna want to put my secret recipe. Where do I put it? Oh. Okay. I'm just gonna put it just like the egg. Okay. So you don't see it. Now let me just get some yogurt, and here we have my friend Salman. Now he's not gonna go. Oh yep, he's coming. Don't worry. Now, guys. Now. Yogurt. So we need yogurt. Wait, the hell? We need yogurt. And now, by the way, I did it all by myself. Mix the yogurt. I know, like if it's 1 egg, like put half a scoop. Boom, look. Now just put the yogurt in the middle. And then there you go. Look at the yogurt and look at the eggs with the cheese. There you go. So this is the end of the video. Bye bye.